What's up, YouTube? This is Alan.
And Trish.
And today we're going to be opening up some Darkness Ablaze packs.
And some Burning Shadows.
Ooh, man, and what's inside them Burning Shadows, Trish?
A very rare and valuable Charizard.
You hear that? A very rare and valuable Charizard that we hope to get. And I just want to give a special thanks to anyone who watches these iPhone recorded videos. She pulled a base set reprint Charizard out of a Dollar Tree Evolutions pack. That's right, the Charizard Queen. We did not get it on video, so we were inspired to start recording in case we ever pull some Charizards again. Let's get started. Alright, here we go, guys. We're going to be starting off with some Burning Shadows. Now, it will be considered a pack battle between Alan and Trish. It always is, and usually Trish always wins. And we are going to give away all the code cards. So there you go. Here we go.
Burning Shadows, everybody better get them.
Here we go. Guzma, Solrock, Plumeria, Ladybug, Mudbray, Horsey, I don't know, Sandcastle, Heracross, and Hollow Kingdra, and of course an energy. Pretty nice. We'll go ahead and put that in the back here, and go ahead, Trish. This is actually our first time opening up Burning Shadows ever. So wish us luck. God bless these packs.
Code card. Do 3 from the pack. Semi-Pour. Rotom Dex. Potown. Ladybug. Mudbray. Horsey. Venipede.
Oh my gosh.
Venipede again, reverse, and a regular rare.
A regular rare snowman crab. That was almost like this same exact pack. Literally. Third pack. Oh man. Here we go. Code card. 3 from the back. Metapod Pod. Lena. Electabuzz. Sneasel. Grime. Ralts. Ooh, that's a pretty card. Even prettier card. Hoot, Rhyhorn, Slowking, and that was the rare. Regular rare Slowking. Next pack, Trish, it's all you. Come on, bring that Charizard magic, girl. Ooh, another Ladybug. Ooh, they had that on backwards.
Yes, and I seen something. Let's hope for the best, guys.
No, don't ruin it. Don't ruin it. It's gotta be a Charizard.
Gotta be delicate with these, guys. Is it a Charizard? If it is, you guys better like and subscribe right now. Also, turn on that notification bell.
I would literally poop my pants.
Okay.
I will scream so loud.
Crap.
I will wake our neighbors up.
And not bad at all. Marshadow GX. I'll take that.
He's a little munchkin.
I'll take it.
Put him in the back.
Actually, I'm gonna sleeve this guy.
Yeah. Get a Squirtle sleeve on there. Yeah, he's VIP. He gets sleeved up. Put him in the backpack. All right.
So far, I'd say I'm in the lead.
Yep. She's always in the lead. There we go. Why are they putting these cards on backwards? Code card. Here we go. 3 from the back. Charizard luck. Oh yeah, we gotta be easy with these. Just in case we get that Charizard, we have to send it to get graded immediately. Curlia. Olivia. Lunatone. Uh-oh, having trouble. Ralts. Inkay. Dupiter. Tangela. Hoot. Reverse Rhydon. And wait a minute. Is that a hollow? Yeah. Yeah. Hollow Sandcastle. I'll take it. Slap him in the back with that Kingdra there. Alright, I'd say Ultra Rare beats 2 hollows. For sure.
Uh-oh, I seen some.
Oh, quit showing them the white and green.
I'm not trying to. They're in backwards on half of them, so we're gonna go 3 from the back. Oh, these cards do have whitening on them. Oh, well, whatever we get, we'll take. We did not expect to find any Burning Shadows at Target. That is for sure.
We plan on doing a lot more openings, so if you guys are with us,
Pansage,
please like,
Stuffle,
comment, or subscribe.
Meowth,
For sure.
Crabbler, Charmander, Reverse Alolan
Oh my
Vulpix,
gosh. Ooh.
and a Gardevoir GX. I'll take it.
I'm just gonna pretend that's a Charizard.
Yep.
You dropped it.
Oh no. Let me sleeve it up.
Get one of those Squirtle sleeves on there.
Squirtle. We'll do a recap at the end of all.
Here we go. Here we go. Next pack. Charizard. We are calling for you.
Rest in peace, Fairy Energy.
Shout out Leonhardt. Code card. Here we go. Meowth. Riolu. Roland Grimer. Ladybug. Oh yeah, she is totally whipping my butt right now, by the way. Cutiefly, as always. Acerola Reverse.
You did not do the card.
Toxicroak, I mean. Yeah, did I not do the card trick?
Okay.
I did not. Charmeleon. Bouffalant. Sorry about that. I forgot all about the card trick. I had Charizarditis.
I know, that was scary seeing that shiny at the top of that card. Yeah. It had my heart thumping for a minute.
I totally would have pooed.
Code card.
Oh yeah, I know they love those code cards.
Oh yeah. We'll go ahead and do 3 from the back.
Even if we don't get a Charizard, it's okay. This is
Whirlipede, Wobbuffet, Electric, Sneasel, Alolan Grimer, Ralts.
Just all about
Vulpix,
having fun.
Hoot, Reverse Gloom, and a regular rare, whatever that is.
Arachnoclub, blah, blah, blah. Alright. Getting low on Burning Shadows, but we still got some Darkness Ablaze and a couple Sword and Shield packs. Maybe we can get a Charizard VMAX. That would be great too. Or a golden Zacian card would also be a miracle. 3 from the back. Here we go. A Serolda, Wishful Baton, Metapod, Meowth, Riolu, looking cool as ever. That Grimer looks really creepy. He's like, I want your soul. Another Ladybug. Can't get enough of those. Cutiefly, Reverse of Viper, and the rare is... Ooh! I'm catching up to you, girl. Ooh, that is gorgeous.
Very nice.
Full
Get a sleeve
art
for that guy.
Guzma. Wow, my dude.
Beautiful card.
I
Look at that
love it.
artwork on that.
I love it. That is gorgeous. Yeah, we definitely got a VIP Squirtle sleeve this guy right on up. And we'll put them on in there, just like so. Right up in there, Guzma. That's my boy. Okay, Trish, I am catching up to you.
This is the last Burning Shadows pack.
Oh God, please be a Charizard.
Last pack magic.
Charizard.
Let's see if we got any.
All I want is the Charizard. They had 2 of these left at Target. We should have totally got them both. I don't know why we didn't.
You made me second guess.
We're just not with it yet. We're not. We wanted to save it for somebody else who might be Charizard searching.
Panseer. Krogunk. Whatever that is. Wimpod. Vulpix. Reverse Wickle. And a regular rare Beware.
Awesome. Oh well, that was still awesome, and I definitely think we did pretty good. All right, let's get into some Darkness Ablaze. These packs are always sealed so well. Always struggle with these Darkness Ablaze packs. Try to pick it up here. Okay. Code card for you online gamers. We'll just do 4 from the back because we know 4 from the back is right on these. Got a Grass Energy, Steamy, Old PC, Ursaring, Sentret, Rowlet, Squirrel, Spider, Larv, Cub. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
We did it! Oh my god! Sleeve it!
Oh my god! I'm about to cry!
We did not think we were gonna post these.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Thank God I went back and I said I was just getting those.
My mom literally hid these packs behind some Hot Wheels at the Target.
We gotta call Mom right now.
Oh my god!
Oh, our faces are tomatoes right now. Oh my god.
I win. Tears. Real genuine tears. Oh my god, and it was a $4.19 pack. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
My heart's pounding right now. Not the regular one, the VMAX. You got that Charizard level.
I'm really crying right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, praise the Lord. He really blessed these packs. Oh my god. Oh, sorry guys. Oh my gosh. Definitely leave a like. I'm sorry for the overreaction, but please. I told my Lord and Savior, if we pull a Charizard, we will invest in a good camera and take these openings so serious. So, if you took the time to watch this, thank you so much. God bless your heart. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's your turn. I automatically win, though. I cannot believe
what
this.
if I pull another one?
My mom literally hid those packs.
Thank God we
at
went
the
back
Target.
and got them.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Code card. Four from the back. I still didn't get a Darkness Ablaze pack yet. We'll see if I get any pack magic. I'm going for a Mew V or another Charizard VMAX. Uh-oh. I got something in this. It's Sword and Shield, but let's see.
You still lose.
Doug Trio and a Keldeo V. Not bad.
Get enough of them Keldos. Hey.
Running out of room back here.
He deserves a sleeve. He's an ultra rare.
I'm a sleeve.
Just knock the Pikachu on down.
Oh, wow.
Just knock the Pikachu down here. I'm gonna switch these up so you can get some Darkness Ablaze love. I'll let you get the last two Darkness Ablaze packs here. Alright, Sword and Shield. Can we get a gold Zacian? Can we get a gold Zacian? Code card. 4 from the back. Fighting Energy. Kingler. Hyper Potion. Citrus Berry. Maractus. Mudbray. Pawniard. Scorbunny. Nickit. Metal Saucer.
And another full art.
Wobbuffet V.
What good
Nice.
freaking opening we're having. How many full arts is that now?
We'll do a recap for sure. Special shouts out to whoever stayed till the end of this video. You are the real MVPs. And we truly appreciate your time.
Charizard pack. Let's see if there's anything good inside. Code card.
You know, when you said let's not pay for the Elite Trainer box, we totally should have just got the
But what if we didn't get these Darkness Ablaze because I got that? I had a feeling to get the Darkness Ablaze.
You're right, you're right.
My Pokemon instincts were speaking to me.
Yeah.
Don't judge my child.
We literally put all these back in their hiding spaces like 3 different times.
Let's see. Ooh, Salamence V full art. Nice. What a good opening.
If I didn't pull that
I
Charizard,
wonder
you
if
probably
someday
would've
if
won.
one of the Poppy PokeTubers like Real Breaking Nate or Leonhardt will watch this, like, wow, I opened hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of packs.
And they just literally got like 3 $4 double packs.
Yeah, and an Elite Trainer box.
Elite Trainer box, Trish. Okay, down to our last 2 packs. Dang, time adds up on these for sure. I'm gonna try to go a little faster. Future vids, if anybody got tips, anything, go ahead and leave a comment on openings. Roselia, Joltik, Cobra, Blipbug, Goldeen, Sudowoodo. I do not think I did the card trick. Oh well. Regular Rare Drapion, Water Energy, Seeking, Ordinary Rod, and a Bead. Last pack magic. Can we get another Charizard VMAX?
Or a Mew V. I know that card's not...
Mew V.
I know it's not a valuable card, but I think it's just so adorable. Four from the back. speed it up on this last pack.
Yeah, and we'll do a quick recap.
Could we get something good again? Again.
Is it possible?
Oh my god! Freaking way! Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! We just pulled a gold Rillaboom. I've seen
And a Charizard VMAX.
PokeTubers open up hundreds of packs to pull this, and the Charizard VMAX. We did it in one opening. Literally $12. $12. This is legendary. Like, comment, subscribe, please. Oh my gosh. Get this bad boy a sleeve. Get this bad boy a sleeve. Oh my, I don't know. I don't know. You very well. We'll have to let the viewers decide who wins. Okay, we'll have you do your recap, and I'll do mine real quick, and then we'll let them decide who wins. Okay, here we go. So, I, Alan, pulled the Charizard VMAX and crap myself. Wobbuffet V Full Art. Guzma Full Art. Sandcastle Hollow. And Seahorse Hollow. Now, go ahead and show your pulls, Trish.
I got a full art Gardevoir, a Marshadow Ultra Rare, Keldeo V,
Oh my god.
Salamence V, and the gold Rillaboom.
Oh my god.
Wow, guys, thank you for watching.
Man, that was
Like,
awesome.
subscribe, comment.
Awesome. Sorry, we're so new to this, but oh my gosh, that was so worth it. See you in the next one.